Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the turbo on a VW Passat. First, gather all your tools and new parts, including the turbocharger, gaskets, and any required fluids. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin. Safely lift and support your vehicle on jack stands, then disconnect the negative terminal of your battery to ensure safety throughout the repair. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the components blocking access to the turbo. This typically includes the air intake system and any protective heat shields. Disconnect the oil feed and return lines, being prepared for some oil to drain out. Then, unbolt the exhaust downpipe and the manifold connections from the turbocharger itself, ensuring all fasteners are accounted for. Now, it's time to install your new turbocharger. Use all new gaskets and carefully position the turbo, tightening the mounting bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Reconnect all the oil and coolant lines, making sure they are properly sealed to avoid any leaks. Finally, reattach the exhaust system and all the air intake components, ensuring everything is secure. After installation, refill your engine oil and coolant to the correct levels. Start the engine and let it idle, carefully checking for any oil or coolant leaks around the new turbo. Monitor your engine's performance and listen for any unusual noises or warning lights on your dashboard. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Take a short test drive, paying close attention to how the vehicle responds, and ensure everything feels right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.